But this morning, I was super excited to wake up and read an email that they have now launched an affiliate program component for affiliate programs outside of Wealthy Affiliate. So what I mean by that is if I wanted to find an affiliate, I would go over to Google and type in a keyword and look for the affiliate by brand. Or I might go over to ShareASale or CJ.com and set something up. Well, you never really know much about the affiliate program other than some basics. Like it'll tell you the commission amount and some basics, but you're just kind of out there on your own. Well, Wealthy Affiliate just put together this affiliate program search. And what you're able to do now is you can go up here and you can actually search for affiliate programs. So maybe I want to find Nordstrom. Okay. So what they tell us here is, yes, Nordstrom.com. Whoops, let me go back a second. Nordstrom.com does have an affiliate. It's with Rakuten, and you'll find Rakuten is one of those many affiliate networks like CJ.com or ShareSale or Flex Offers. And then what you can actually do here is you can follow that program. And now there's going to be communication that starts happening around each one of these programs and around each one of these networks. This is giving the advertiser the ability to manage their affiliate platforms within Wealthy Affiliate, for them to communicate, for us to communicate about what we like, what we don't like. We can favorite our affiliates that we're working with. And guys, this is huge because over here, let me show you what I did. Let me go to shortcuts. I am a spreadsheet fanatic, and I started an affiliate Google spreadsheet because I was having a hard time keeping up with all of my affiliate programs and affiliate partners. So you can see here that I've got the first 100 and something on here, and I've got which site I have approval on. I have which network it's part of. I've got commission amounts. I've got the durations, cookie durations, links, usernames, passwords, because it was quickly getting away from me. And you'll find that if you are building a big affiliate business in with a lot of affiliate partners, it's going to get crazy fast. So the sooner you get started over here in Wealthy Affiliate, the better. And now look, they've got categories. So you can search by keyword, or you can use the category searches, right? So let's say I am in travel and I'm building out my travel blog. I can click on travel and look at this. I've got all of these options to go see what this company offers to see if it might be worth creating an affiliate relationship with. And the other thing that I really like is that a Wealthy Affiliate is telling us that they are going to filter out the junk programs, and they're really going to focus on bringing us high paying, high converting, reputable affiliate programs, which is so, so important. We don't want to be getting ourselves set up with bad programs. Like, for example, here, if you have a weight loss website, like I have a keto diet website, this, Eat With, meal plans and app and whatnot offers a 7% commission. It is with AWIN, and then it tells how it pays out, what the options are. So I might be interested in that, so I can follow it. But then I can also click through and view the metrics, and it'll tell me, okay, it's got varying commissions. It's not auto approval, so you do have to be manually approved. What the minimum payout is, like when they release those funds, what countries it's available with, and then we can actually write reviews about these programs, guys. So it gives us like some more flexibility with building out our affiliate program. So although I do have a great blog called the7thstream.com that's all about building your affiliate marketing business, I am absolutely a fan of Wealthy Affiliate. I'm building websites inside of Wealthy Affiliate and training people on how to build out your WordPress websites within Wealthy Affiliate and register your domain and use the keyword tools. And I'm excited that they've done this for us. And I'm glad to be part of a network that is continually striving to bring us the best. And since 2005, they've had nearly 2 million people register as members of this forum.